I just want to make you aware that if you define certain areas, there are some circumstances, although fairly rare, that the drone may fly outside that defined area. So, for example, if I create an L-shaped area, like so, and I get it to produce a flight. Now it's automatically worked out what is a sensible angle, but should I decide to change that to something like that, as you can see, it's now flying outside the defined area. So you need to be aware that in certain circumstances this can happen, and you need to be aware that flying over that area is safe to do so. So I recommend in all cases that one, you're very aware of the fact of where the drone is flying at all times, whether it be inside the defined area or outside. And when you get to the site, you actually do a pre-mission flight. So take the drone off, fly it to the desired altitude, and fly it around the area and make sure you're perfectly happy that the flight can be made safely. This is something I am working on, and hopefully in future versions this problem will go. But you do need to be aware that this could happen. And in all cases, as I've said, you need to be happy that you can make the flight safely.